is Kitty Bubar, and today we are making Christmas cookies. First, we are going to mix together 1 pound of butter, eggs, vanilla, and sugar. There we go. Now we're gonna work on our dry mix. Okay, so now that our wet mix is done, we're gonna move on to the dry. So we have 4.5 cups of flour, just a pinch of salt, and 4 teaspoons of baking powder. This is your chemical leavener. Then we're actually gonna add 1 packet of vanilla pudding. Then we're just gonna mix this together so we can eliminate any clumps and get it all well incorporated together. All right, so now that these are both finished, well mixed and well incorporated, we're gonna slowly add in our dry ingredients in here so we don't overwork the batter. We don't wanna do that. We're gonna add this slowly in bit by bit so we don't start a gluten development. So now that our flour is in, we're actually gonna use our hands to put it in because this batter is very heavy. So let's just mix it all together. Actually, I've never done this before. It's my first time doing this. Okay, so now that this is almost finished mixing, we're actually gonna put it into 2 separate bowls. And we're gonna take it out onto the counter. But first, let's dust our counter so it doesn't stick, of course. So let's take it out. It'll be quite shaggy, but we'll bring it up all together into 2 balls. Now we're just gonna knead it together. Okay, so now we have finished rolling 4 of these into cute balls. So now we are going to dust our hands, and we're gonna dust our rolling pin so it doesn't stick, and then we're also gonna dust our workspace. There we go. So we're gonna take one of the balls, and we're gonna knead it out until about half an inch thick. You're gonna use some of these sheets to cut out very cute cookie dough cuts. So we got a tree. So now that these are finished and all molded out into these fun shapes, we're gonna put it in the oven at 350 for 9 minutes. So now that some of the cookies are now out, hot and fresh out of the oven, we're gonna work on our frosting. We're gonna use 4 different colors today: white, green, blue, and purple. So we're gonna start off with blue. We're gonna add 1 drop because these are very potent and these can bring out a lot of colors, so just 1 for now. And let's mix it together so it becomes a very beautiful blue. So you can see how the color's already changing after just 1 drop. So now that these are all finished, we have all of our frostings and toppings. We're gonna start off with 1 star. We're actually gonna add in some purple. We're actually gonna dip in our water in hot water. We're gonna take some purple. We're just gonna spread it all on there. Then we are going to add in some beautiful blue. I'm gonna just shake off all the excess. But there you go. Now these are all finished, all decorated, and actually were in the freezer for about 5 minutes so they can harden up, but these are finally finished, so let's taste them. I'm gonna try this one. These are very good. These are very light, fluffy, has that crisp outside, and not soft inside. It's very good.